Hello everyone, welcome back. Here's vanAmsen with another live coding challenge. So today we have a zigzag conversion problem. If you're preparing for coding interview or just love fun algorithmic problem, so you are in the right place. So, all right, let's start by understanding the problem. Given a string, we need to write it in a zigzag pattern across a specific number of rows. For example, if our string is PayPalishing, like this. Yeah, and we are given 3 rows. It will look something like this. So exactly PayPalishing, but now written in zigzag pattern. And then we read it line by line to get the resulting yeah output that is transformed totally. So it's quite different to pronounce. So pay nap, yeah, you can see it. So our task is to convert the string to this zigzag pattern and then read it. So what is the logic behind possible implementation? Imagine each row as a separate string, and we will create a list of strings, one for each row. And we will iterate through our input string, placing each character in its appropriate row. And we will start from the top, move downwards till the bottom, then move upward and continue this zigzag traversal. And once we place all character, we simply read the row sequentially to get our final string. So I will be using Python for this, but you can implement same logic in other programming languages. So first, if our numRow is 1 or our string has fewer characters than numRow, we return the string as it is. So no zigzag needed. So let's write it down. So if numRow is 1 or s has less than numRow, characters return as is. And if numRow equal 1 or numRows greater than s, return s. And then create a list of strings for each row. So row will be times numRow, and then initialize current row and direction. So current row will be 0 and direction will be -1. So 1 for downward, -1 for upward. So iterate through each character in S. So for character in S, add the character to the current row. So row, current row plus character. If we are at the top or bottom row, change direction. So if current row equal to 0 or current row equal to numRows -1, direction times -1. So we reverse it and move to the next row in the current direction. So current row plus direction, and finally concatenate all the strings in row to get the final zigzag string. So return concatenate join row. Okay, so this is our implementation. Yeah, let's run it just to verify it's working. So we have the string, numRow is 3, and we get this strange zigzag, unreadable string. Okay, that's all good. So what we did. So as mentioned previously, first in our num row, one for our string has fewer character, then no zigzag needed. And next, what we do, we initialize our list of row, and this will store character for each row of our zigzag pattern. And we also need to variable to keep track of our current row and direction of movement. So we have a direction -1 or a 1. And after this, we have a main logic. So we iterate through each character in our string, place it in the current row, and then decide if we need to move up or down based on our position and our direction. And finally, we join all our row string to get final zigzag string. So this is a recap of our algorithm. So let's submit it for unseen test cases as well. Yeah, running it. So we got 59 millisecond, beating 61% with respect to runtime, but also 99.74 with respect to memory. So really good. And I think I previously implemented exactly same logic, and it was 51 milliseconds. So yeah, 51 millisecond beating 89%. So basically it's quite optimal, but runtime may differ on LeetCode platform. So that's why the difference. So that's it for today coding session. The zigzag conversion problem might seem tricky at first, but with right approach, it's pretty straightforward. So I hope you found this session helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more coding adventure tutorial and much more. And keep practicing, stay motivated, happy coding, and see you in the next one.